they're members of the North Texas Roofing Contractors Association and other special invited guests. This is Chuck Bauer here in Dallas, Business Development Specialist. And on Monday, November 18th, I will be teaching a 4-hour short course on the wasted work day. We're going to bring forward information to show you what the latest statistical data is about inefficiencies, not only in your companies and offices, but also how inefficient that you might be in dealing with your prospects and clients. In fact, we have proof, and we will show this to you, that just about every company out there is at a 70% inefficiency. It's major. Just think if you can cut that in half, what it might do to the net income of the company. We're also going to show you, like an example, what a true emergency is. So everybody calls emergency, but yet most of the time emergencies have to have blood required to be an emergency. So we're going to get in the weeds on all this. We're going to have a great presentation for you. We're going to have a PowerPoint for you to take home. And more importantly, you're going to be able to implement steps immediately to become more efficient internally with your company, but also externally with your prospects and clients. So again, Monday, November 18th in Euless at the Texas Star. I'll see you then. Bye for now.